Hello and welcome to the Social Dictionary tutorial set, and this is tutorial 0 on installation and account creation. If you open up your browser and you go to social-dictionary.com, you can see the links for iOS, macOS, and Android. The macOS will only work on M1 chips and later, so that's any later MacBook. Down below, Doancheng at socialdictionary.org, and that's my email. So email me if you need any assistance or have any questions. If you go to Android, you can see the Android link goes to the Google Play Store, and the iOS link will go to the App Store. On iPhones, it'll open up the separate app, and you'll be here in the App Store. If you're searching for it, you might need to put it in quotes Social Dictionary, since there's not that many users right now to find it. Since I already have it installed, I can press open, and it'll lead me to the app. Here you can see that this is the login page. We have reset. This is the password reset, where if you just email me requesting a password reset, I'll email you back a code. You'll put the code here and then provide a new password, and then that should reset your password. This is the only reason why I collect emails, is for this reason. I don't send out emails for spam or whatnot. So when you register, you can provide an email that doesn't exist if you don't really care about password reset. And just provide a username and some password. And then register. And now we're into the app. You can see on the far right bottom tab that this is your profile page. If you press on the three dots, or if you press and hold on your username, it'll bring up more options, and here you can log out. And that is all for this tutorial. Stay tuned for the next one.